Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here with the MX EDC Flint. Here with me for a quick review, and I'm gonna check it out and see what is this about. So this guy comes with this set of tools, the wrench, extra hardware, which is always cool, and of course just a hard case, very nice. Stainless steel. This is a nice, pretty cool and unique slider. Let's check quickly the size. Look at this. You got 0.97, let's say at the widest point right there, and you get a length of 2.35 inches with a thickness at this point right here 0.47. So it is, I would say, like a reasonable size. Like, for example, this is one Wu Armor slider. This is the Chen Yu Battle Shield. Of course, Lauti. This is the Shuffle. Cosmo 42, that's the Nebula. And a big one, that's the Milkia from EDC as well. So this is a multi-fidget, very interesting. I don't know much about this company. I know that's a very interesting design. There is a spinner right over here, which is screwed in to this side over here. So it would kind of be like this, right, in the regular spinner world, but it's, of course, not working unless you just dangle it like this. So it's not really, because of course it's gonna go off balance pretty soon. So not a spinner in that classic sense, but it's a spinner like in this sense right over here. So you toss it around the table, you know, and you hold it like this and just you spin it, because you can take advantage of this pretty aggressive jimping going on over here. This side you have just this classic slider. It's something that, for example, you would find in the capsule from Mackie, which is right over here, on this side here. So that's the same mechanism with the ball that is just acting as a detent, kinda it would do in a knife, and it's hinged, so this is not gonna go anywhere. On this side, actually, you have something different. You have a magnetic part which is snapping back into place. So this is one of those like sliders that have that spring effect. Very unique. You have these two raised screws which are going into these two tracks with two magnets on each side. Very simple. So like that the distance is enough to attract back, oops, not like that, attract back the top part. And you just saw one of the drawbacks of this design, which is this is completely free. As you are like in vertical position, sometimes it just comes back, sometimes it just can fall off, and that's you know, something you have to consider. But nonetheless, this is a pretty unique and interesting design. Let's check the weight, because it has some nice feel into the hand. 3.57 ounces, so not super light. You're gonna feel it in the pocket. It's very well made, nice grooves, super grippy. You have this like sticking out, and here indented, polished, blacked out stainless steel. It's a pretty interesting one. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.